Hey guys, welcome to episode 4 of my Java tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'm going to cover using the input class called scanner. So before we start, you need to open up Eclipse and you need to, if it's not already open to it, go back to our factorial program. Once you get there, we need to make a few edits to it before we can implement the scanner class. So to do this, go into your for condition, and we're going to need to change a few things. In the first part, you need to set I equal to fact minus 1. In the second part, you need to set I greater than 0. And in the third part, you need to set I to minus minus, or I minus 1. Okay, now once you've done that, you pretty much get rid of the rest of this code. And you can type fact time equals I. And then make a closing bracket and get one of these closing brackets down here. Oh, and don't forget your semicolon that I just did. It's going to show you an error. Just get rid of it. That's fine. We don't need that. Okay. So to actually implement the scanner class, the first thing we need to do is import it. Import it. You can do it within your class, but for the sake of simplicity, do it outside your factorial class. Type import space java.utils.scanner semicolon. And what this has done is this has imported the Java utility class scanner. Alright. Now once you do that, you go back to the main method or the main part of your programming and enter a new line and you type scanner, make sure to capitalize it. Name what you want the input to be, so we'll call it input. And set it equal to new space capital S scanner parentheses system dot. Alright, now what we've done here is we've told it that when it runs scanner and gets the input, it's going to save it as input, and it's saving whatever was entered on the system in. System.in, I'm sorry. Now we've done that, we can set our factorial integer to equal this input. So you'll type input dot next integer, or next capital I N T. Alright. Now, the reason we've done this is whenever you refer to a scanner, you have to tell it what kind of input it is. So you'll say dot next. If you want string, you can say dot next int. If you want integer, dot next double. I think you get the idea, dot next float. Anyways, and the reason we had to set factorial equal to, or I'm sorry, the integer fact to it instead of just using the scanner variable input is because it's going to cause issues when you do calculations with it. But now since we've done this, it should run. You can go over here and click the run button, and you can see it's had nothing down the console. It's waiting for your input. So we'll say 5. Type 5, notice it's green. All input within the console is going to be green. Hit enter, and it gave us 120. Okay. Now from there, it's common practice to let them know they need to put input so that they have some way of knowing this. So we'll go back up to before we did our scanner input, and we're going to put a system.out.println. Now in this print line, we'll just ask, I don't know, enter a number. And now, when you run it, it'll give them a prompt to enter a number, and they can here, or they can enter it down here. It's going to work either way. So we'll say 5 again. See, it automatically puts it there. Run it, and you get the same answer. Alright guys, there you go. That's how you use the scanner class. In the next episode, I will take it further in depth, and we will go back and use some of the earlier key phrases and bits of coding that I've covered in the last couple episodes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And again, if you have anything that you would like to see done, let me know and I'll try to implement it as soon as I can.